Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got something truly special to talk about, the LG OLED EVO G3 77-inch 4K Smart TV. In this review we are diving deep into the latest features, performance and overall experience of this stunning TV. So if you are looking for the ultimate entertainment hub, then keep watching this video. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this TV from Amazon. Alright, so let's start the video. The LG OLED EVO G3 is truly masterpiece in terms of design. Its ultra thin profile and sleek bezel not only enhance its aesthetics but also ensure that your focus remains on what matters most, the breathtaking picture quality. The star of the show undoubtedly is the picture quality. With the latest OLED EVO panel technology, this TV delivers unrivaled contrast, vivid colors and impeccable brightness. The 4K resolution combined with HDR support creates an immersive viewing experience that truly to the next level. When it comes to performance, the LG OLED EVO G3 doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its powerful AI-driven processor, navigating through menus and apps is lightning fast. Plus, it adapts to your usage pattern, optimizing picture and sound setting for an enhanced viewing experience. Gamers, listen up. This TV is a gaming powerhouse. With its low input lag and HDMI 2.1 support, you can expect smooth gameplay and stunning graphics. The 77-inch screen immerses you in your favorite games like never before. In the age of smart TV, the LG OLED EVO G3 truly shines. Its WebOS interface offers a user-friendly experience and the Magic Remote takes a navigation a breeze. With built-in voice control, you can see for content, adjust setting and even control other smart devices at your home. Now let's talk about the audio. This TV doesn't just excel in visual, it's equipped with AI Sound Pro that intelligently adjusts audio settings based on contents you are watching. Whether it's a thrilling action movie or soothing music video, you will be blown away by the clarity and depth of the sound. Wrapping it up, that's it guys. The LG OLED EVO G3 77-inch 4K Smart TV raises the bar for what we can expect from our home entertainment setups. With a stunning picture quality, smooth performance and huge number of smart features, is true game changer. That's it for today. If you are impressed as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. If you have any questions about the LG OLED EVO G3 or any other tech topic, drop me in the comments. Until next time, see you.